Ever pondered the magic of creating a miniature world inside a glass? Picture a glass terrarium, a small, self-sustaining ecosystem that doubles as a unique decorative piece. Each is a singular blend of beauty and nature's genius. Stay tuned to learn how to create your own glass terrarium. Creating your own glass terrarium requires some basic materials. You'll need a glass container of your choice, potting soil, activated charcoal, and small stones for drainage. Don't forget the stars of the show, your favorite small plants. Now that we have our materials, it's time to start building our miniature world. Follow these easy steps to create your own glass terrarium. First things first, you'll want to create a layer of small stones at the bottom of your glass container. This isn't just for looks, it's crucial for drainage too. Next, sprinkle a thin layer of activated charcoal. You might wonder why, but this tiny addition actually helps keep the water clean and fresh over time. Now, it's time for the fun part. Layer in the potting soil. This will serve as the bed for your green friends. Then carefully plant your chosen flora in the soil. You can go for succulents, ferns, or maybe even a tiny bonsai. Lastly, if you fancy a bit of sparkle, add some decorative elements. A tiny gnome, some fairy lights, or even a tiny bench. Let your imagination run wild, and there you have it, your own miniature world inside a glass. Creating a glass terrarium truly is as simple as that. Imagine the thrill of nurturing your own tiny ecosystem, a verdant oasis in miniature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring the miniature worlds.